Hello everyone, trust you guys are doing good. Welcome to today's video. Today's video we'll be looking at how to fix broken keys in your keyboard. Now if you look at the keyboard I have with me, this is PSR's E737 and you can see my F sharp is currently broken. The F sharp is seriously damaged and also that should be A sharp. Yes, A sharp is broken to just one side leg. Okay, let me give you a good view. All right. Now this is the F sharp. You can see there are two pins currently pinning it down, but the two are broken. While the A sharp, just one pin there is broken. So we'll be using a very simple approach where we'll be making use of super glue. So here is my super glue. I use Tamako. You can use Ateco, anything you have. And also if you have all these 4-minute gum that you mix two different adhesive together, they're a very good option too. But I'm using super glue for this particular video. So it's very simple. Just follow the process. The tape, I'm going to lose it. Then the mount, I'm going to use that little pin. Just make a little hole there. I will apply it to it. Then I will add a form of soluble like sand or dust. Anything you have, you can definitely use it with it. So let's dive in. Let's give it a try. So my super glue, I'm going to use that little pin at the mount to just make the hole there. You see it popping up. Yeah, it will pop up that way. So since it's coming up now, what I'm going to do is to now apply it. And please, when you're applying this, don't let it be too much. You see me cleaning it now. I don't want it to just spread anyhow because there is a panel underneath. So you spreading it anyhow can cause more problem if it touch some sensitive part of your keyboard. So just a little drop. All you need is just a little drop of it. You see me? Look at it closely. I will just put that little drop on it. Shim. Yeah, nice one. Very small. So it's still already, not to be too much. That is enough now. You see me, not too much. So get your sand or any soluble substance you want to make use of. See my sand there. I'll just spray a little of it on it. Just to let it hold it together because I need something to hold it together. If I didn't apply anything, it will definitely still remove, but with the sand, so it will be able to hold that super glue in place with it. You understand now? See me applying it. Yes. Okay. Yeah. You can just, but don't let it stain your hand too much. See me, just those two sides. Finish. That's it. But if you are using all these 4-minute gum where you mix two different components together, those ones you don't need to put sand and the rest, you just need to mix them. And also the quantity will be very small. Just put it on it, finish. You don't need to let it be too much, too thick. But you see this my super glue. I will now apply just little on that sand to make that sand very wet with the super glue and to hold it very firm. So this approach is very easy and very effective and less expensive compared to the price of 4-minute gum. But if you have 4-minute gum, no need of getting super glue. It's a very good one. So either one you have, it will work. But you cannot use a Vo stick for this case because some of you can be funny. You want to go and try for a Vo stick, it will not work. All right, so let me show you now. So now that we've applied, we'll blow this sand away. We don't need the sand. It's just the ones that super glue has touched that will stay. So now we'll just dust the residual sand away. We'll dust them away. So we'll just be having just the little ones that is holding that super glue in contact with that the keys there. Yeah, the black. You can see it now, very neat. Not spreading anyhow. So for some of those of you that you like wetting everything with super glue anyhow, no. Not in this case, else you will damage it. You can see it now working well. Assuming I spray that super glue, the entire black key will get stuck with the white one, and which will not give us what we want. And if it eventually touch your panel underneath, then that's the end of it. So you can see now the key is pressing well, fine and okay, like every other key. So my F sharp is back, and my A sharp is 100% functional. So you see me cleaning everything because of the dust and the sand, so to prevent any form of malfunctioning. So I don't need the sand again. So another thing I like doing is, see, I'm not applying super glue again. What I have there is enough and sufficient for me. I don't need it, just a little drop that I've put is enough. So the next thing we need to do now is Although we are done with it, but I like making my stuff very, very neat and very professional. So I will take my paint, yeah, a black paint. Okay, I don't want someone to lose the keyboard in the future and they find it so obvious that they've really repaired this keyboard. You understand? So I will just apply my black paint to it. You can use any glossy paint, but currently I'm using sticker ink here. Just a black is what I have available, but anything that has to do with glossy paint, it will work, not emotion this time around. Glossy lights and the rest that would really work. I'm using sticker ink or this paint for customizing it to still do the work for me. I just need to key that appearance of sand. I don't want to see it, so that's the reason I'm applying it. So this option is optional. You don't really need to do it, and if you have it, fine, you can include it. But I like making my stuff look very good. Okay, so once I apply this now, the paint will dry, and that's all. And the color, that black that is overshining, will blend in with the previous color. Find there, and once done with this process, my keyboard is good to go 100% and we are ready. So you can see very simple like ABC, 100% functional. All right. I believe you get one or two things in the course of this video. If you find this video very helpful, please like this video, follow my channel, follow my page, subscribe to my channel, and click that bell notification so whenever I drop full videos like this, you will get notified and you really get the very best out of this channel, because every week I drop new video that will help beginners grow very well on electronics, keyboard repair, guitar repair, general electronics. And also if you have any work that pertain to any of these, like sounding, we are into sound installation, we'll sell keyboard, we'll sell guitar, we'll sell amplifier, mixer, audio interface, microphone, whatever musical instrument you want to say, we'll sell all of them. So as many things you can see here, we'll do it, and we'll do repair of all these gadgets. So if you have anyone that's been faulty, you don't know what to do about it, we can definitely help you out. So that's my number there. Feel free to contact me and we'll fix your stuff and get it delivered to you back 100%. Thank you so much for liking this video, for watching. God bless you. See you guys in my next video.